over, the pandemic's over. Springtime, springtime. Welcome back, everybody, man. Fucking miss making videos for a little while. Not only dealing with that this coronavirus pandemic, but it's been fucking cold. Finally got the spring weather back, so we can get back in it. And first I want to say thank everybody for watching the videos. I haven't been posting up here lately, but I've been getting a lot of requests for an update on the Coilovers, on the Hyperstreet 2s on the Z. So fuck it, I haven't had any issues out of them, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna jack up the car and we'll take a look at them. I'll show you everything is perfectly fine. No squeaks, no noises. Probably say I put about 2,000, 3,000 miles on them so far. Got married in the process. Drove the car all the way out there. Yeah, no issues, man. But yeah, fuck it. I show you better than I can tell you, so. Left my fucking keys, so I'm gonna go get the keys, jack up the car, take a wheel off, take a look at them. You can see it for yourself. Peace. I don't know why I said peace. It's not like this is ending the video. I gotta go get my fucking keys, but whatever. Check it out. Now this is 3,000 miles, I'd say, about, plus a winter. We're going into spring now. And other than a little bit of dirt, they're good. They still look fresh. Rubber's still good on both ends. Zero complaints. Paint's not chipping. Let's see. I got my finger in there. No leaks. Let's pull that bellow down. Yeah. We're good. This is great. This is great. This is great. This is good. This is really good. I know like a lot of people are skeptical about getting these because, a lot of people associate price with quality, and some people can't get their head around. I mean, it's just a decent product. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the camera under so you guys can see the rears. The rears look just as good. I have no issues with it. Let's go. As you can see, the rears, same situation. Other than there being a little bit of, dirt, I guess. They're good. They are good. No issues whatsoever, like at all. At all. Now, I mean, now that I've driven on them for some time and got some miles under the belt, I mean, it remains the same as far as ride quality. I mean, I don't have any issues. It's not, bouncy and whatnot. After I dialed in the rebound stiffness, it was good for my liking. I mean, I don't know what else you want. Maybe I would say going with a little bit of a lighter springs. I believe these are 14Ks, 14K, 12K, something like that. I would think maybe if it had a 10K, 12K split, it'd be perfect. But I mean, still, even at that with the 14s, I don't have any complaints about it. But I mean, just for that super fine tuning, dialing in situation, maybe a 10, 12K split would suit better. But I mean, road feel, going around corners, doing all that, whatever you want to do. The car goes, it sticks, and it just goes. It's fine. It hasn't sagged too much. Like after it settled and everything was good. I don't really have any complaints, man. Like I said, this is after driving on. I mean, it still looks good. Besides it being a bit dirty, I don't know what else. What else can you ask for? What else do you want? I don't have one. A lot of people were asking me about any creaks, any noises. I don't have anything like that whatsoever. There's no noises. The suspension is still tight. I have no leaks. Like I said, this is after about 3,000 miles, and we're just coming out of a winter. So I mean, it has seen some weathering. I didn't really drive it too much during the winter time because I'm in the Northeast where they use salt on the roads, and I don't really want to expose the car to salt if I don't have to. But I mean, it's seen its fair share of weathering. I mean, the car's outside. It's not like it sits in a fucking climate controlled garage. So I mean, yeah. But let me see, what other comments have I seen? Really the main comments I've been getting is about ride quality, how long they've lasted, and people just want an overall update. And I mean, I haven't had to use their website to replace any parts. This is still with all the shit that I ordered from the first time. Like, nothing's been replaced, nothing's broken, nothing. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. I'm actually thinking about picking up a set of these for the Sentra. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna sell the Sentra, get a truck. I need a truck. But yeah, man. I mean, that's really it. I don't really know what else I can tell you about them. Buy them, experience it for yourself. I mean, I haven't had any issues whatsoever. I mean, I don't have any reason to lie to you. I'm not sponsored by Rev9. They're not paying me for this video or the first video or anything like that. I paid retail price just like you guys would pay. So I mean, if they suck dick, I'll let you know if they suck dick, but I can't tell you that because then I'd be lying, and I'm not a liar. So yeah, I mean, I've also seen some people commenting, well, not some, more like I've seen one person comment, but about the, they said they had these on an RX-8 and they blew fairly quickly. In all honesty, like I said in that comment, I can't really relate to that because I haven't had that issue. Now, I don't know how, and if you guys look, I have plenty of space for adjustment. Like these are pretty much at the top of their adjustment. Now, I don't know if you guys are buying coilovers with the main goal of, I want to slam my car down to the ground and drag chassis. Like, that's fucking stupid to me, but some people do that. If that's your goal with these, and if you just want to slam your car, don't expect to slam your car that low and to have any type of ride quality. Like, it just doesn't make sense. How you gonna ride frame on the ground, but then you want your coilovers to be smooth and shit? It doesn't work that way. Now, there are coilovers that are made for going super low and shit like that. And if that's your goal, I mean, go and get a set of bags or buy coilovers that are made for extreme low. But I don't think that these are it. These are just a moderate entry level, get you into the ballpark, better than some lowering springs, you know what I mean? You know, it has your adjustability and shit like that. That's what this is. And it does it beautifully. So if that's what your goal is, you want some coilovers, lower your car, get a little bit stiffer ride, you know, but still maintain some type of ride quality. Like I said, it's not bouncy or anything like that. It is rigid, but it makes the car more reactive. How can I sell it? If you want the car to go left, it's fucking going left. You want it going right, it's going right. And there's next to zero body roll, and I mean, it's a nice, and I still have stock sway bars. So I mean, it feels good. I got no complaints. No complaints at all. You know, but yeah, I mean, you guys let me know. Let me know what exactly you want to know. I'll try my best to, you know, respond to all the comments. And number one, I appreciate all you guys watching the first video. Like, that's pretty dope. Really do appreciate that, you know. But like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you guys with, you know. And welcome back. It's been a while. Been dealing with this COVID bullshit, but it looks like we're finally around that last corner. We can get back to some type of normality. But hope everybody's staying safe, you know. Let's go have fun, bring the springtime in right. Peace, guys.